Beloved Huzur, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Islam.
My name is Abu Nasser Abdullah. My question is regarding the significance of fatwa in Islamic Sharia. If what is the scope or significance of fatwa if religion is complete and Quran is the final law?
You see, what type of fatwa? Religion is complete, but there are some verses of the Holy Quran which you cannot understand. You need some interpretation of it. Or even Sahaba, there were some verses, even Sahaba could not understand those verses. And they used to ask the Holy Prophet ﷺ, what is the meaning of it? Although they knew Arabic very well, and their Arabic at that time was very, very good Arabic. But despite that, there were some words they could not understand and they wanted interpretation of it. So in this way, you need some interpretation. This is why Hazrat Masih ﷺ has also written some interpretation of some of the verses of the Holy Quran. And even Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Sani has given very lengthy, detailed commentary of some of the surahs of the Holy Quran. That is the interpretation of it. So, by reading these things, you can understand what are the true meaning of it, the verses. You see, for instance, we believe that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is Khatamun Nabiyeen, is last of the prophets and seal of the prophets. And no prophet can come after him who is law-bearing. But subordinate prophet can come. This is the verse in the Holy Quran. But the non-Ahmadis interpret Khatam al-Nabiyyin as that now he is the seal of the prophets and no prophet can come, whether he is a law-bearing prophet or subordinate prophet. And this is why they are not accepting Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam. So for these things, you need some interpretation. And fatwa is something different. And fatwa needs further details. If you have any particular thing in mind, then you can ask that what is the fatwa with regards to this matter. Right? Otherwise, we have the Holy Quran, but we need interpretation. Everybody does not know, even you don't know the meaning of the Holy Quran. How can you say that you know everything? Arabic is very vast language, and even one word have different connotations, right? So for that you have to need somebody who is well versed with these things, with the language, and he can interpret you in a better way. And even not only the word, but also there are some interpretations of the verses given to us by the Holy Prophet ﷺ, or some of the scholarly Sahabas. So nobody have that knowledge or access to that knowledge. So we need somebody to help us. This is why we say that if you don't understand something, you ask somebody who is well versed with the knowledge of the Holy Quran. Right? So you are confusing fatwa with the interpretation of the Holy Quran. Fatwa is something different. Right? So if you have something particular in mind, then tell me, what is fatwa?
Most of the time I hear about fatwa from my friends or
What is the fatwa? Fatwa is, you see, if you don't understand something, and it has been mentioned even in the Holy Quran, if you ask Mufti Sahib to interpret you that in some particular case, what is the meaning? See, in some particular cases, sometimes some people try to interpret something which goes in their favor, and actually which is not the actual meaning of it. So for that you have to ask somebody, as I have already said, who is well versed with the interpretation of the Holy Quran and who is well versed with the Arabic language. right?
Right, Huzur.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum.
জাযাকাল্লাহ। আচ্ছা হুজুর